Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the much anticipated backyard renovation OASIS video. So you're just getting part one now. I asked on Instagram if you wanted to see part one now and part two later. Not surprised, the majority said yes. So you're getting part one now. We've still got a ways to go, but so far this is what we've done. I hope you enjoy it. I'm doing a bit of an intro because you're going back March, April, May. You're going back several months and it kind of just starts weird and ends weird. So I hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. Hello and welcome to our backyard OASIS renovation. So it's been a while since I mentioned on the vlog that we were redoing our backyard. We're adding trees and a pergola and flowers, color, all sorts of fun stuff back here. So today is the day that work will actually start. So I wanted to start this video, say hello, tell you what we're doing, and show you what it looks like before any work starts. So it's pretty bare back here. We do have a grassy patch in the back where a pergola will go. We have these two blue pots in the front near the steps of the pool. Those ferns are fake, so something new will be going in there. We're also going to pull up pavers on the left side, place trees, plants, tropical looking things. We'll do the same thing on the right side. We ended up buying these big pots that will go there too, that flowers will go in, so that will happen in this video. But today we're going to put the pergola together. Now, the pergola, we picked it out, I want to say back like end of February, maybe beginning of March. It's been a while. We picked it out from Lowe's. I will link the pergola down below. Also, all the plants and flowers that we're using, I'll list in the description box in case you're interested. So we ran into a little bit of a snafu with the pergola. Good morning, y'all. It's time for a little update. So the last time that I saw you, we ordered that Lowe's pergola on March 14th. Today is March 31st, I think. It finally arrived yesterday. So we ordered it for like 3-day delivery or something. And then every single day we kept getting notifications that was like, it's coming tomorrow, it's coming tomorrow, it's coming tomorrow. And then maybe a week ago, the delivery company that Lowe's hired to bring it to us texted, like their contact texted and said, hey, we're gonna deliver tomorrow, but heads up, like the box is super damaged. So just so you know. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Yeah, definitely damaged. All this is open here, all that. Also, it scratched all the concrete when they dropped it off is that first one. And this is when we were pulling it in super late last night. Yeah, the delivery company was like, I don't know if I would want it, honestly, because you don't know what's fallen out of it. And this was very expensive. It was $900 bucks, I think, 800 or 900, maybe even like 1,000 with tax. So Brian is going to return it, obviously. I don't blame him whatsoever. So that definitely put a damper on the plans, like the schedule, I guess. Not really the plans. It's still happening. We still like it. We still want it. But definitely put a damper on the schedule of getting it done pretty quick. We still have the same one. Brian seems to think that all the pieces are in there. So today's the day we're gonna check. If all the pieces are in the box, we will put it together. He's gone through and like placed a little bit of what will happen here. So we're removing 3 deep, and I think it's like 16 feet long. So this is sort of the layout of what it will look like. We're also gonna put the pots and stuff throughout. Pergola will go back here, and you'll kind of get the same thing over here, but the pots are just different colors. Obviously, we'll put different flowers in the pots to sort of match what we picked out color-wise. And here's the extras that will go on the right side. We're gonna pull up the grass, and that's where these will go. These really pretty flowers, potted things, will go next to the pool. We're going to take them out of the pots and put them in the blue pots that you've seen. So those, maybe we'll do something else with them because I do like the green look of them. So I wanted to show you a before because today it's going to look different from now on. So you've seen the before video. You kind of have an idea of what we're doing. Hopefully it goes well. Pray for us that we're kind to one another as we put a pergola together this afternoon. And I guess let's cut to that. So it looks like we're missing one of these feet. We only have 3. We need 4. I think everything else is there. We think everything else is there. So we're going to ride up to Lowe's and see if they've got a spare one of these, or maybe the one on display or something that we can just take with us versus wrapping this all up and reordering a new one. Okay, this is all we need is one of those. We have 3. We're just missing 1. So it looks like they're going to be kind and give us one. We got the goods. Here it is. We're back home to put the rest together. We'll put it together, period. We haven't really done much. Show me your dance. I'm gonna leave that in there. You don't care, huh?
Nope.
It is 7:40 at night. We're wrapping it up. This is as far as we got, which is pretty much the majority of it. There will be some mesh, like mosquito screens at the top, and then the curtains, which I can do those by myself one day, but we are exhausted. This was a very long process. So now I'm gonna cook us some dinner, and then we're gonna relax. When I put the curtains and all the other stuff on, I will show you. I can't bring myself to do it tonight. We're just so tired. So next time I see you, we will finish the pergola. Almost had a brain fart on the name. Okay, bye. Happy Sunday, y'all. So today, it's been about, I think last weekend we did the pergola. So today we went out to Lowe's and bought some flowers and potting mix for the big pots that we got weekend before last, I don't remember. So I'm gonna show you the flowers. Cash is smelling them. The flowers that we picked out, and then it is my job today to plant them. So here's what we picked out. We've got a couple of different pots I'll show you once we bring them around. We've got a pretty purple, obviously, these sunflower looking ones. The red was really pretty, and then the yellow and white. Oh, and then these pots, remember, are getting the like tropical looking pink flowers. Those are fake, by the way, so we're just going to toss those. And these are the pots that we got. So solid blue, a little bit taller than the rest, the blue and white. this pretty orangey sunflowery one, and then this really pretty terracotta one. I love the like handles on the sides of that one. So here's what they look like before, and once I plant everything, I'll show you the after. Okay, flowers are potted. Oh, Brian's talking to me. He's putting up the mesh on the pergola. So we did purple and the blue. You can see the color scheme. They look good. And then these look really nice. The blue with those really pretty pink flowers. I've watered them. While I was watering, I just went ahead and did all these too. I'm not gonna get you in it, don't worry. Why is there a hanger out here?
Oh. That's what I tried to find the electrical.
Oh. So we went ahead and put the curtains in the mesh. So it's two separate, see there's two separate poles. One has mesh, one has a curtain. So that's nice. If you want no sun whatsoever, you just close the curtain. If you want sun, you know, a little bit, no bugs, close the mesh. I've just pulled them all back here. Brian did go through also and put lights up. He fixed the electrical box last night. So once all the mesh is up here, I'll show you. And I don't even think that I've shown y'all this. So we got this basket a while back from At Home. Such a cute basket, right? But there's a hook in the pergola. So we bought some rope today from Lowe's. We're gonna turn it upside down and hang it in there. And it'll just look nice. I'm excited for this. This was one of the first things we bought for back here. So this is gonna look nice. We're gonna go ahead and put this up too. There we go, basket is up. Looks so cute. And here's the whole pergola. It's done. Well, we need to bolt it into the concrete and into the grass back there, but here's what it looks like. I'll come back out here tonight and turn on the lights and show you what they look like, but it's so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, it's quite a bit later. What time is it? 7:30. Brian and I went and had some dinner. It's getting a little bit dark outside. So he realized the lights that he bought has an option to have a dimmer, and then the dimmer, you can actually download like the app to your phone and work it from your phone. So he's trying to figure it out now so we can turn the lights on at night from his phone. Here's what it looks like right now. I'm getting the vision. Once these are in, it'll look like the same over here. All these same trees will be on this side. It's gonna be nice. Okay, I'm ready. Oh yeah. Oh, they get bright. Okay. And then dim them down. Are we having a malfunction? How nice. Yay. They look good, babe. We just need to get some furniture, which we've been looking. It's just hard to find what we want for a decent price. It looks so good. You did such a good job. So yeah, furniture, like I said, it's hard to find something that's not thousands of dollars. So we'll keep looking, we'll find something. Y'all, it's May 16th. Hello again. So let me turn this down a little bit. So Brian is going to attempt the pavers today. We went to Home Depot and he bought mulch. So let me show you the before. Here we go. So it'll start here at this corner, 3 pavers back, and it will go all the way to this corner, 3 pavers back. So starting there, these 3, so all the rest of it will stay. We are going to get something to put on the sides of this, but we haven't really decided yet. Did I show you the furniture? Did we talk about this? We got this cute furniture to go in here. I feel like I did tell you, maybe I didn't. This plant in this like flower pot is struggling, so we bought something else to put in there. These have been in the sun. Anyway, they need to go in the ground. So I have work to do today. So he is going to attempt the pavers like I mentioned. So you've seen the before. I will show you the after. I didn't know we brought it in. This is the plant that we bought for that pot. So that will go in the place of the dead one. And we got these. I feel like I told you this. Maybe I didn't. These cushions here, once that's clean, people can sit there and have something to lean against. And then all of these that we put up. We still have the old ones. We need to figure out what to do with them. We'll probably just toss them. Honestly, they're disgusting and gross. But these are really cute. So here we go so far. Brian went 4 back instead of 3. And he's placed them. We bought black mulch. Did I tell you that? Black mulch to go in, and then we'll put a couple potted plants in here as well. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I just knocked all those over. Oh no. And welcome back to current times. So it ended sort of abruptly, so I did go through and get some video to show you what it looks like today. Okay, so we ended up going with black mulch in the little flower bed thingy where the pavers are. I think that color looks really, really pretty. We also went through and actually added solar lights so that at nighttime it lights up, and it's so pretty, and it looks really nice with the pergola lit up and then those lights that are lit up. It's just a nice look outside. So under the awning where the table is, we actually painted, there's this W that I bought for Brian years and years ago and painted it brown, and it's been in his like man cave for a very long time, and we painted it to match outside. So we hung that up. We have a really cute red refrigerator. It's like mini size, but it's a freezer on top, refrigerator on the bottom. Super cute. It just looks really nice out here. We had like a shorter fridge. What do you call those? Why am I drawing a blank? It's been out here for years and years, and we decided to get the red one, which is really, really pretty. So what will happen next is we'll do the right side of the pool, take the grass out, put all those plants in. Brian's also actually going to build something for the grill section. So it's going to be sort of like a long bar. So the grill will be in there. You'll have a little spot to stand and sort of put your drink and chat. So he does need to build that. So I feel like not a whole lot happened in that video. And we actually finished that, I want to say beginning of May. It's been a while since it's been done, and we've just been waiting to get the rest of it done, and then realized it was going to take a little bit longer. So we're going to go ahead and do part 1 of the video. Hopefully in the next couple of months, we'll get everything else done. The price of lumber right now, we know, is outrageous. So that's what's stalling that build that he wants to do. And then the grass part, we haven't decided if we want to do it ourselves, like rent a sodder, I think is what he called it, and put the plants in ourselves, or if we're going to hire someone to come in. We didn't hire someone on the left side because it was very pricey. So we're trying to figure out if we just want to do it or if we want to pay someone to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I can finally like vlog outside and stuff. I know it's not that big of a deal, and it doesn't look that much different out here. But it just looks nice. It feels nice. It feels more homey, I guess. Whereas before you saw the picture in the video before, it was just very bare, very, very bare. There was like nothing out here. So I'm excited for everything to be done. So I will film a part 2 once the grass plants go in and he starts building the little section where the grill will go. So I hope you enjoyed this. I know a lot of people have been waiting on it, so I hope that it was everything that you hoped it would be. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm sweating and I've been out here for 5 minutes. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.